Okay, so if you watch the video from Mr. Math Blog, you will see that a whole number can still be represented as a fraction. So in this case, the first thing you should look at is what you should put for the denominator, the bottom number, down denominator. So you first look at one of the shapes as a whole, and you count the number of parts that one whole is cut into. So in this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would be your denominator, is 6. So you would write 6 on the bottom. And then for the numerator, the number on top, you would count the total that's shaded. In this case, if it's 6 on each one, 6 times 3 is 18, so your numerator would be 18. So your fraction for 3 wholes is 18 over 6. Now think about it. If you think about a division sign has the dot on top, the line, and a dot on the bottom. Fractions are just division. So look, read from top to bottom. 18 divided by 6 is 3. See how they relate? When you divide the numerator by the denominator, you get your number. And in this case, remember the first thing, and I'll type it right here. The denominator is the number of pieces in one whole. The numerator is the total number of pieces we are counting. So in this case, since we're counting all our orange parts, we count every single one of the pieces for the numerator. For the denominator, we're just looking at one of the whole and how many it's cut. So again, denominator, number of pieces in one whole. Numerator is the total number we're counting. All right, so you're going to do that for the next 2 pages. On this one, you get to decide what you want to cut it into. You can cut it into halves, you can cut it into fourths, you can cut it into whatever you want, as long as they're both cut into the same pieces, and you write the fraction with the numerator and denominator. Okay, good.